Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You already know what time it is, okay? From the title, you already see what it is. I'm gonna give y'all a little tea on me, okay? I realized that I didn't do a Q&A about myself. Like, it's my channel. How am I not gonna talk about myself? Like, I know I can make my little videos doing hair and stuff, but I want y'all to like see me and like, you know what it is and what it ain't and all that good stuff. So we just gonna get into it. It's not gonna be a long video. It's gonna be really short, probably like 5 or 6 questions, like the main things that people want to know about me, or that questions that y'all ask or stuff like that. So that's what I'm finna do, okay? So we just gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna read it from my phone. And the first question was, what made me start YouTube? Now, to be honest, the reason why I started YouTube is because I wanted to have something left behind of myself. Like, you know, when we pass on and all that stuff, like I wanted stuff for people to remind. I want people stuff to I wanted oh my god,
are you dumb?
I think she's I wanted to leave stuff behind, like videos and things like that people could watch and remember me about. Like, of course you got memories in your head, but you know, I want y'all to see me like talking and all that shit. Like, I just wanted to leave my mark on the world. I guess that's like an easier way of putting it. Yeah, I wanted to leave my mark on the world, for one. And number 2, I just wanted to showcase my craft and what I could do, because I know I love doing hair and like everything about hair. Well, except for box braids. I don't like doing box braids, but yeah, other than that, like I love so many things about hair, so it's like, why not? And plus, I feel like I'm so diverse with a lot of things. I need to stop slouching. I feel like I'm so diverse with a lot of things that I just wanted to showcase myself and just show my craft and just show what I'm about and just show me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want people to know who I am. People are gonna know who I am, period. Yeah. People are gonna know who I am. And I feel like that's it. I answered the first question decent, right? I'll give you like 2-3 answers for that one. So yeah. The next one is, how long have I been doing hair? So I've been doing hair for over like 15 years, to be honest. I would say, you know, like a lot of people, we start off doing ourselves, and then we, you know, start with our some family members, you know, the ones that do support. You know, we start with some family members and then we just branch off. But yeah, I started with myself, you know, then I started doing my family and friends. And I always noticed that I had a thing for hair. Like, hair was always interesting to me, so that I know that was going to be the field that I wanted to be in, right? Correct. Yeah. So I started doing that, and then I ended up going to beauty school in Manhattan after I graduated high school. I'm not gonna tell y'all when. After I graduated high school, I went into beauty school because I felt like, you know, regular college was just not for me. I particularly didn't even like school, like really like high school like that, to be honest. Yeah, it was fun. It had its good days, had its bad days, but I didn't like school. I graduated with honors, but I didn't like school. I don't like classes. I don't like nothing. Like, I don't like that stuff. I love to learn, but I want to have a choice of what I learn about. And I don't feel like college would have been you know, the right step for me. And I'm glad that I'm not gonna say I'm glad that I chose that path, because like as time went on, like I kind of do wish that I probably went away to college just for the experience. But I am happy with the choice that I made, going to beauty school and learning and doing all that stuff, because man, I learned a lot. So that's kind of goes into how long I was doing hair, and I guess why. That's like a 2 for 1. A 2 for 1. Yeah, it's a 2 for 1. What? Real bad. Okay, so why my phone act like? Okay, so the next question was like just basic, like, oh, you know, my sign and stuff. That I'm a Cancer, by the way. Yeah, my birthday is June 23rd. I don't know if y'all gonna see this video before or after. Most likely y'all gonna see it before, so make sure y'all tell me happy birthday when the time comes and don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Tell me happy birthday when the time comes, okay? I want to be at least 2,000 subscribers by the time my birthday comes. So I'm gonna be consistent, dropping videos. Like, I'm just gonna drop videos and see what kind of videos y'all interact with. I know y'all interact with my hair videos off rip, but hair costs money, okay? And I'm trying to make money. You get it? The girls that get it, get it. The girls that get it, okay? Thank you very much. So yeah, I'm a Cancer, birthday June 23rd. I feel like we're the best, and that's it, that's all. Oh, matter of fact, let me just answer the other two, like basic like relationship and kids. So I am single. I'm not mingling right now because I lied. I lied. I'm not mingling a lot right now, I should say. That's being more truthful, because I feel like at this point in my life right now, I'm really just focused on getting to where I know I should be, or just getting to where I want to be, because I shouldn't say should be, because everything is God's timing. So I'm trying to prepare myself to be where I know I'm going to be, you know? I see myself being like a big person, or just like, I'm gonna be somebody. I'm gonna be somebody, or I'm gonna tussle everybody, okay? So yeah, I'm finna be somebody and all that shit. So I'm single. I don't have any kids. Yes, I do want kids, but I don't think I want kids anytime soon, because to be honest, I see so much stuff going on with everybody that's having kids. Like, you know, after they have the kid, they're not with their partner, and then it's just all this drama and XYZ, and like, that is traumatizing. Like, looking from the outside, it's like every single person is going through that, and it's like, shit, I don't want to be one of them. Like, hey, I'm in control of my own destiny. That's why I'm choosing to just not have any kids right now. If something happens, not gonna work, if something happens and then God you say, you know, whole list, then it is what it is. But as of right now, I'm single, I don't have any kids, and I'm trying to keep it like that until I get to where I want to be. And I feel like that's reasonable, because everybody's kind of rushing to have kids, or everybody just having kids off a whim and XYZ, trying to beat, I think they're trying to beat age. So everybody's trying to have kids young, so they don't get to like 30, 31 and up, and they don't have any children. I could see that point, because I used to think like that, but it's a blessing to kind of not have that responsibility. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to be responsible for another person right now. If I want to get up and go, I want to get up and go. If I'm going to smoke, I'm going to smoke. Like, it's just simple stuff that I think about that I won't be able to do, or that I won't be able to do for a while, I should say, once I have a child. And that's just the cons of having a child is, right now, is weighing out the pros. So I should just say that, and I'm going to just leave it at that. So the next question is, oh, what's my most viral video? So my most viral video is actually the how to make a synthetic wig. Now my girlies from TikTok, y'all did that. And then, you know, I feel like they really blew it up, because if you know me, if a lot of y'all probably know me from TikTok and me doing the synthetic wig videos. Y'all know who started it. And me doing the synthetic wig videos and how to make a affordable wig with organic hair and all that stuff. Like, I was on it back to back. Man, all those wigs is gone. I think I got one left, and that's the one that I used in the last video, the one that I showed y'all how to make it. No, yeah, I lied. It's the red and black one that I still have. So I'm gonna use that to show y'all how I maintain my synthetic wigs, even though it's not a lot of maintenance, because I put it on the mannequin head and I put it up so it don't get tangled and stuff like that. But yeah, so that's my most viral video, the one about the synthetic wig, how to make it, customize it and stuff like that. And whew, I'm proud of myself, because at that point in my life, I think I was going through a lot mentally. So I was just so cautious of putting it out, and I was scared of putting it out. I know people see me putting out stuff on TikTok, but when it comes to YouTube, that's a whole nother level of pressure, and that's a whole nother, like, you just kind of second guessing yourself. But I'm glad that I didn't second guess myself and I put the video out, because that video really put me on the map with a lot of different people from around the world, and a lot of people viewed the video, liked it, commented. Like, I did not expect it to go that far or to blow up that big, but I'm so happy that it did. And every time I feel like I don't know if I can make it, or I don't have some type of motivation, I just look back at that time and that video and be like, just do it, you know, just do it. If the video don't do good, it don't do good, but if it do good, you just keep pushing. Like, good or bad, you keep pushing, because that's how people gonna know who you are. You gotta post consistently, you gotta do all that stuff. So I'm glad that that I did that video. And yeah, that's the question to the video, that's the question to the answer about my most viral video. And I believe this is gonna be the last one, because I think I have a lot to say about this one. And the last question is how I feel about YouTube. Now, like I was saying, YouTube is kind of a lot of pressure, because you're seeing probably all these other smaller influencers that are starting out like you, that are probably making it faster or quicker, or sometimes you're getting stuck on what type of videos to post, because you don't know, you know, how the world or how everybody else is going to react to that content. But what I learned is, like, you really got to just post. You got to post, but make sure you put some type of time into posting, and make sure you have some type of good quality. You don't need a perfect camera, you don't need none of that, but as long as, I feel like as long as your content is good, then people are gonna watch it. And that's what I need to learn. But this is the crazy thing, like, a lot of people like a lot of different things. So some of your audience could like your hair videos, and some of your audience could just like videos with you sitting and talking. But I feel like the more did I say clients? The more your subscribers and stuff like that get to see you and know you and hear you talk and see what you do and stuff like that, it's the more you're going to get more comfortable with you know, recording and stuff like that on YouTube. Because I'm not too comfortable as of yet, but I feel like I'm getting better. I'm definitely getting better, but I know there's a lot of things that I need to work on, and you know, I'm gonna work on that, because like I said, I see myself going very far, and I feel like YouTube is it's gonna play a big part in that aspect of me going to where I need to go. TikTok has been doing this thing for me, but you know, with the TikTok algorithm, yeah, I got a list, y'all, so just don't do me like that. So with the TikTok algorithm, yeah, it's just like real funny on there. But I know the main thing is to be consistent, but sometimes you don't know what type of video to record. You don't know what you want to talk about. You don't know what you want to do. Sometimes a lot of us are home, like, you know, we don't have the means and stuff like that, or we don't have the friends and things like that to go out and record and do all this stuff like other people be doing. So we have to figure out we have to figure out our niche in our home. There's a lot of homebodies that don't do much outside, like, and I know y'all know that. It's a lot of homebodies that don't do much outside. So I think the ideas is a big and a main part to where people get stuck at with YouTube. And shit, I've been stuck a few times, but I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna take it one step at a time. I know everybody like my hair videos, but there's so much more about me. There's so much more things I do, or so much more things that I'm interested in doing. So that's why I'm like, I'm just gonna drop different things, and I'm gonna see what everybody reacts to, because I have all these subscribers, but the views have to match the subscribers. You get what I'm saying? And that was my problem, because I took such a deep gap, and I took a break after I posted those videos. I think I posted like 2 more videos after that, and then I took a break. But I had to take a break for my mental. I had to make sure once I come on here, I am in a better space, and I'm not just coming on here because, you know, I what am I gonna say? Ooh, excuse me. Like I was saying, I want to come on here with a clear mind, and I don't want to come on here with no dry mood, with no bad attitude or no bad energy. Like, when I post videos, I want to be, you know, I just want to be happy. I want y'all to see, like, all right, she doing her thing, she looks good. Y'all hear me? Like, y'all see the joy in everything that I do, and that's my main thing. Right. So yeah. Oh, sidebar, you guys, look, I did my hair myself. I braided my hair myself, right? It was my first time, well, this is my first time, you know, doing feed-ins on myself, and I think they came out so cute. This was the tester, the first one. I just wanted to see how it's gonna come out with some color, and I wasn't gonna undo it because it already take long, but I'm gonna just show y'all. But be here for a good time and a long time. All right, I don't know about y'all, but I'm finna rock it out. Okay. All right, so that's gonna be it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notification bells on so you don't miss when I drop another video. As you can see, I'm being consistent. So with your girl, don't do me like that. Not too much, not too freaking much. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys stay here and enjoy this ride with me, grow with me, and everything. All right, love y'all.